November 11th, 2005, and we're going for a sail. Bruce over there getting ready to shovel the snow off of the cockpit. There's the stern of the boat, a little bit of snow, but we can brush that off, be ready to go. I think this might be the last sail of the year, Bruce. We've got to get the snow out of the cockpit before we can go sailing, I guess, eh? November 11th, Bruce at the helm. A nice gentle breeze, we got most of the sails up, and we're sailing, in spite of the snow on the deck. Here comes the wind. November 11th, and we're out sailing in the Ghost Lake. It's great. Take a look at our sails. They're all reefed down. We've got about 20% of the head sail, and our mainsail is reefed too. It's a great sail, a little chilly, but we're dressed for it. See you later, guys.